The Hindu for aspirants. Today's important articles for UPSC. Let's start. There are 3 articles on the same topic, so I clap them all. Let's start. Bihar election to be conducted this year, but there is special intensive revision of voter list to be conducted. जिसकी वजह से 60% ऑफ वोटर को अपने आइडेंटिटी प्रूफ करनी पड़ेगी एंड एनी वोटर नॉट लिस्टेड इन 2003 रूल्स मस्ट प्रोवाइड डॉक्यूमेंट्री प्रूफ ऑफ सिटीजनशिप। और राइटर कहते हैं दीज डॉक्यूमेंट्स आर ड्यूटी ऑफ स्टेट्स एंड प्रोवाइड बर्डन ऑन द इंडिविजुअल। According to Section 21 of Representation of People Act 1950, be alert, this is important for your prelims. According to this act, there are 4 revisions possible. First, before Assembly or Lok Sabha election. Second, clause says before by-election. Third, direction of Election Commission in any year. But these 3 have to be conducted at the first day of the January. And the 4th revision that is possible for the special for the constituency itself. Writer here says Election Commission of India on 24 June say prove your identity by 1 July 2025, and it is not right because if you want revision it should be 1 January 2025 according to the writer. Now understand the analysis part. This is important for your mains. Election Commission of India says revision is due to elimination of duplicate entries, removal of deceased voters, and filter ineligible voter. A writer here says Bihar has a huge population of migrant laborers. This sudden revision will affect them. And writer says the verification of citizenship lies in the domain of judiciary and डेजिग्नेटेड ट्रिब्यूनल नॉट इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया। और ये एक तरीके से वोट बंदी है। Now important articles of 8th July. India has a vast coastline that provide livelihood to significant population. But there are challenges like rising seas, saltwater intrusion and unregulated development. These force to people to migrate. Example, Satyabhai village of Odisha severely affected by the coastal erosion. Environment clearance for many projects overlooked climate risk and laws like Environment Protection Act 1986, CRZ regulations 2019, etc. These are limited to disaster response or conservation and no legal framework for climate-induced migration. Next article, maternal health. India has improved from 103 deaths 2017-19 to 93 deaths in 2021. But still states like Bihar, Jharkhand range 100 to 151 deaths, while southern states like Kerala only 20 deaths. They are the reasons listed in one-pager notes. Please refer to that. This one-pager notes with micro themes available on my Telegram channel.